Hello everybody to the 9th lesson of HTML5 Deep Understanding. Today we have a new lesson which is HTML styling. Well, now what do we mean with that thing? HTML styling means the styles that we added to the HTML. For example, here I will add a paragraph tag. This is a paragraph tag. I will add here some normal text. I will add this is normal paragraph, for example. Okay, then I will add another paragraph. I'll repeat that one. I will add here this is red paragraph, this is blue background paragraph, and the last one, which is this is big paragraph. So in the first paragraph I will not write anything, but the second I will write the style and I will change it to red. I will say color red. This attribute we mean it with the style. So here we have written style, the color inside that attribute, and we have written red. So the color of that paragraph will be changed to red. Let's go to the place that we have saved that file in and double click and it will be work. Let's see what we have in changes. Look, the paragraph that we have changed to red has been changed to red. Okay, the second, the blue, we'll change the color, the background of that style to blue. Style background color to blue, then semicolon. The last one we'll change the last one we'll change the style to big. We'll say font size we'll change it, for example, 200 pixel and semicolon, and let's refresh the website and see what we have. Look, the first paragraph was red, the second was the background blue, and the third was 200 pixel. Size of font was 200 pixel. So this is what do we mean with style in HTML. So we could change whatever we want. We could change the font, for example, font family. We could change the font family, for example, and we write Verdana or Tahoma or Arial or whatever, or Time, whatever we want. So we could see the font that has been changed. I'll change it to Tahoma so that we could see how it changed. Tahoma, save that file, refresh. I've noticed that it has been changed a little bit. So this was the lesson for today, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.